Google Search Console. It is also called as Google Webmaster Tool. Friends, do you know for the SEO, Google has provided this free tool. Use of this tool is very important if you are doing SEO for your website, because this helps us in many ways. So in this amazing course of the SEO, friends, we have brought for you all a mini dedicated course on Google Search Console, because you should know how to use this tool in detailed manner, and that too professionally. That's all you will learn in this video. So in this particular video, you will learn about what is Google Search Console, what are the benefits of this tool, and what do you get, and how can you use this. It will give you complete clarity. So after this, we will also teach how to practically use and operate this Google Search Console tool. So friends, if you want to clear any concept about Google Search Console, make sure to watch this video till the end. One more important thing, Marketing Fundas has brought a Maha Bundle course for you all, inside which you can learn more than 50 digital technical courses. And also by learning this very course, you can grow your job, freelancing, business, everything. And also we have a partner program. For more details, link is given in the description. You can click there for the details, or you can text on our WhatsApp numbers. Our manager will contact you. So friends, watch the video completely. For digital marketing services, training and consultancy, you can call on given numbers or visit our website.
Hello everyone, in this particular video, we are going to talk about Google Search Console. Why do we use it? How do we connect it? What are its benefits and what information does it provides? So guys, nowadays Google Search Console is very important. It is necessary for you to do it because with the help of Google Search Console, you can see here, like any queries of your website, that means web pages that appears in your search engine results and at which position they are appearing. So related to that, if you want to collect the information, then for that, you will have to use the Google Search Console. So now, first of all, we will learn about like how to connect Google Search Console and why it is important to connect Google Search Console from website. And then what does it do? What kind of information does Google Search Console give you? So first of all, we will understand what we have here. We have Google SERP. SERP is search engine results page. Google is search engine. So basically we are talking about the Google search engine result page here. So whatever query you have, so what do you see at the top? We have our paid results that come up, which are sponsored or ads shown here. After that, all organic results come up. So basically, why are we using the Google Search Console with our website? Because whenever there is any kind of query over here any of your web page appears regarding any of the terms or any query, like you can see its report in Google Search Console on what position it is in, right? You can see how many clicks have come, how many impressions have come. So whatever queries are being made, whatever terms are being searched, and then in those terms, any web page of our website, that means any page of our website, to know on which position is it appearing. So in order to track that, using Google Search Console is important. All right, friends. And also from here, you can crawl here and you can forcefully index other index pages of your website. Because if you do not use Search Console, then it will crawl and index according to its own. And if your Search Console is already done before, right? So what you can do there, you can also do force index, right? You can check issues related with crawling and also issues with indexing, right? So it is very important for us to connect Google Search Console tool so that we can properly, like in search results, for example, what type of our performance is coming, like how is the presence. So in order to track that, we can connect it. Now we will talk about like what kind of information does it provides. For example, like this gives you tracking related, okay, maintaining and troubleshooting your website's position presence in Google search results. Like basically what does this do? This is used to track, maintain and troubleshoots your website's presence and position in the search results, where in the Google search results. And what all the things does it provide you? Like crawling, indexing related information, which page has been crawled, which page has not been crawled, right? What can you do here? You can also force reindex the page. Suppose if you feel like any page has not been indexed for a long time, then you can force and do index as well. So here we get URL inspection tab. With this tab, what we can do is we can index it, right? And then what is the next thing? Provides Google SERP information like query impressions, clicks, and CTR position. So guys, here you will find the performance tab, which is the Google Search Console performance tab. So like you will get a complete information in detail, which we will be discussing more in the upcoming videos. There you will find the information like how much impressions you get for which query, how much clicks you get for which query, and what has been your average position on that, like what position is it ranking at. Suppose if digital marketing course in Delhi is a keyword for your website that you're trying to rank for. So how many impressions did you get on that keyword? How many clicks did you get? And your web page, which position is it ranking at? What is its CTR? So you get to know all these things with the help of Google Search Console, right? So here, related to indexing, you can collect information, right? And you can also index your sitemap, right? And it gives you issues related with the security, like whatever provides you updates related to security or any issues that you have, whether it's 404 error issue or a no index tab issue. We will cover everything in upcoming videos. We will explain performance tab in more detail. So guys, that is all in this video. We will bring more such interesting topics in our next videos. Until then, thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed this video very much. If you liked it, let me know in the comment section, and you can also write your queries. If you want to take training from Marketing Fundas, or if you want to take digital marketing services, then you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us on the number provided. Marketing Fundas has brought an amazing partner program where you can learn and earn at the same time. Link is in description, click on it, and thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.